Are you looking for the top 5 electric bread knife? Power meets precision? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 electric bread knife. Power meets precision on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned. So be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Misen Serrated Bread Knife. The Misen Serrated Bread Knife is designed to deliver clean, effortless slices through crusty loaves and delicate foods alike. Crafted from high-carbon Japanese AUS 8 steel, this 10-inch blade offers exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting sharpness. Its razor-sharp serrated edge glides smoothly through bread crusts without crushing soft interiors, making it equally perfect for pastries, cakes, tomatoes, and fruits. The versatile 10-inch length provides excellent reach and control for both small and large loaves, while precision-engineered serrations ensure consistent, even cuts every time. An ergonomic, non-slip handle delivers a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Built for everyday performance, the Misen bread knife combines professional-grade materials with thoughtful design for home cooks and chefs alike. Finished with a bold red handle, it adds a modern touch to any kitchen while offering reliable, high-performance slicing you can count on. Number 2. DUSSAL Cordless Electric Knife. Cordless and fast charge. DUSSAL cordless electric knives allow you to get rid of the outlet completely and operate freely anywhere in the kitchen without the need for a bulky power cord, improving efficiency and comfort. Powered by a 2,000 mAh built-in lithium battery, it can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours and can be used continuously for up to 70 minutes. Safe and convenient design. This cordless electric knife comes with a smart safety lock that prevents the knife from accidentally activating, so you can avoid possible injuries. There is no need to worry about forgetting to turn off the power, so you can use it with confidence. Additionally, a simple trigger button allows you to safely activate the electric knife and disconnect the power immediately after releasing the trigger button. Easy and comfortable operation. Our electric knife is equipped with an ergonomic handle that offers a comfortable grip and effortless operation, minimizing fatigue and allowing you to cut more easily, quickly, and efficiently. With a weight of just 1.26 pounds, this electric knife can be operated effortlessly for any cutting task. Multi-purpose use. This cordless electric knife comes with 2 models blades that can be used separately to cut a variety of foods such as meat, turkey, bread, and fish. Our stainless steel blades feature serrated edges for sharpness and durability, allowing for clean and easy cuts with minimal effort. Whether you're slicing roast, slicing crusty bread, preparing fruits and vegetables, or even foam cutting. In addition, we offer excellent 24 hours after-sale service. Please feel free to contact us. Number 3. Electric Knife Cordless. This cordless electric knife makes slicing faster, safer, and more precise for everyday kitchen tasks. Powered by a reliable cordless motor, it delivers smooth, consistent cuts without the hassle of tangled cords. The knife includes 4 interchangeable stainless steel blades, designed to handle a wide variety of foods, including meats, poultry, bread, cheese, and more. Each blade is durable, corrosion-resistant, and engineered for clean, even slicing. A built-in safety lock switch prevents accidental activation, offering added peace of mind during storage and use. The ergonomic, lightweight handle ensures a comfortable grip and excellent control, reducing hand fatigue during extended cutting sessions. Ideal for holiday meals, meal prep, or daily cooking, this electric cutting knife provides professional-style performance at home. Finished in a sleek gray design, it blends modern style with powerful functionality, making it a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Work Sharp 2 Malawian Kwach's Professional Electric Knife and Tool Sharpener. The Work Sharp 2 Malawian Kwach's Professional Electric Knife and Tool Sharpener is a versatile sharpening solution designed for precision, power, and control. This adjustable sharpening system is engineered to restore razor-sharp edges on kitchen knives, outdoor blades, and a wide range of tools with professional-level accuracy. Featuring adjustable angle guides, it allows users to customize sharpening angles to match different blade styles, ensuring optimal edge performance every time. The powerful yet controlled electric motor delivers consistent results, while the high-quality abrasive belts quickly reshape dull edges and refine them to a polished finish. Built with safety and ease of use in mind, the 2 Malawian Kwachas, offers excellent stability and smooth operation for both beginners and experienced users. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for home kitchens, workshops, and garages. Compact and efficient, the WorkSharp 2 Malawian Kwachas helps extend the life of your knives and tools, keeping them sharp, reliable, and ready for any task. Number 5. Homley Professional Electric Knife, more convenient knife sharpener. Stages 1 and 2 of the Edge Select knife sharpening system use 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone edges. Stage 3 polish and finish the blade. High-quality professional knife sharpener. Homley Knife Sharpener uses proprietary diamond abrasives, which is the hardest natural substance on Earth, to quickly and easily sharpen edges. The durable sharpener will keep your kitchen knives sharp and cost-effective. Professional and safety. The double-layer protection of the shell pane and electroplating, the beautiful and unique appearance design, the powerful motor, and the design of reducing noise have made the Homley Electric Knife Sharpener. Flexible spring guide rod keeps the blade at an ideal angle during use, so that the blade has a more durable arch edge over the entire length. Wide application, suitable for all metal steel knives. Includes chef knife, slicing knife, ham knife, santoka knife, fruit knife, boneless knife, butcher knife, Viking knife, fish slice knife, bait knife, meat cutting knife, sharpening straight knife, sports knife, pocket knife. Product commitment, 120 volts. 2 years product warranty for Homley knife sharpeners, and lifetime prompt customer service within 15 hours. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.